How to see your orders on Alibaba.com. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to see your orders on Alibaba easy and fast. So all what you have to do, go to Alibaba. This is the homepage as you can see. Now if you want to see your orders, go to here down below on my Alibaba, and now right here on this page you will find the option of my orders right here. Click on it, and now right here you will find all your orders. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.